Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 25. The self is said to be unmanifest, unthinkable, and unchangeable. Therefore, knowing this to be such, you should not grieve.
Chapter 2, Shloka 25. Avyaktoyam achintyoyam avikaryoyam uchyate tasmadevam viditvainam nanushochitumarhasi.
Chapter 2, Shloka 25. In the previous Shloka, Lord explained why and how we can recognize that the self is eternal. In this Shloka, Lord further adds that the eternal is unmanifest, unthinkable, and unchangeable. Knowing the truth as such, it is neither possible to kill nor get really killed, and so there is no reason to grieve. Manifest is that which we can perceive through our sense organs. So unmanifest is that which cannot be perceived through the sense organs. I cannot see, hear, smell, taste or touch a mango tree in a mango seed, yet I know the seed is the cause of the mango tree. Among the 5 great elements, space, air, fire, water and earth, the earth is the grossest, and as we move upwards, they become subtler by degrees, ending with space. The first 4, earth, water, fire and air, become subtler for our perception through the senses. But because space cannot be perceived by the sense organs as it is too subtle, therefore the cause of space, which is the subtlest of all, can be assumed to be unmanifest. The human mind intellect equipment cannot think or comprehend the infinite because they are inert subtle matter. The self as the subject enlivens the mind intellect equipment because of which objects are perceived. The equipment can only function amongst objects. The inert mind intellect cannot make the self, the subject, an object of their comprehension. So the self is unthinkable. The self is limitless and has no parts. Only those that have forms are limited, can have parts and are subject to change. So the self is changeless. More in the next shloka, in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.